Yes, another day. Back
Another
to
shoot.
back. Another
Another day,
shoot.
another shoot.
Yeah, today we are in Orlando for what, baby?
A professional shoot.
Oh, okay, not bad. Never mind.
Oh, wait a minute. Hello guys, this is J. Edward Productions. I'm the assistant photographer, and today is an engagement photo shoot day. We are currently in the Lovers Key State Park in Fort Myers, and we are getting to. We're just walking by to find some nice spots for the shots, and we are 30 minutes ahead of time, 15 minutes ahead of time now, and yeah, we're gonna make magic happen today. This is the main photographer, Sama Jr. Edward. You have something to say to the camera? Are you focused?
Oh, no, yes. We are looking for a good spot because there's a harsh light right now. The sun is out. We're trying to look for a spot where there's a lot of
Shade?
shadow, yeah, like shade, yeah, something like that. And yeah, so we about to make a movie like we always do, you know.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm pretty scared because I'm a French girl. I'm not. I'm an island girl, but I'm also a French girl. I was born and raised in France, and now I'm in the wild in Florida. I can see like some fishes jumping up and down the water, and I'm kind of scared. I know that in Fort Myers it's kind of wild. You can see like sharks, snake,
Oh my God! Look at that! Look at this.
gators. So I'm kind of worried.
That's a
I
crocodile.
have to look
right there.
around, be it, aware of my surroundings. Tell them to take the train or the bus.
This is Thelma, the photographer. I'm doing good. We just want to let you know we're at the park right now. It's the beach one. So, and you have to wait for a shadow bus to take you to the beach when you get to the park. Yeah. All right, no problem. We'll be waiting for you. All right, see you guys later. Alright guys, gender prediction in action. Today, December 2nd. We're going for a 4-hour ride all the way from Tampa to Miami. So get ready. So John, hey.
Hello. Oh, it's so dark.
We are driving by the grace of God. Yeah. I can't see nothing right now. Oh man.
It's on the screen, on the camera, it doesn't seem as bad as it is for real, but pray for us. Okay, let's pray for us, because when we post this video, it will already be done. So
Giving families the holiday gift they really want.
Got some chocolate, some I don't know, mochi cookie frappe, cappuccino, yeah, to keep me awake because I've been up since yesterday. So when we about to
have a full day, 10 hours of
yeah, it's gonna be more than 10 hours, you know, it's gonna be more than 10 hours, but
yeah. I got myself a cappuccino with vanilla bean powder too, because I was sleeping during the half of the trip, right?
Half? What you talking about?
And I'm shaking the camera like crazy. The camera.
Open the screen so you can see yourself.
So that's what it is. That's us. That's J. Edward Productions. Yep. And we're about to do our magic today, right, baby?
Yes, we're about to make story, make movie.
Okay.
And we got a big truck.
Yeah, I got a big truck today. He's trying it. Maybe in a couple of years he's gonna buy one like that.
Couple of years. Next year.
Okay.
2024.
Well, for myself, I don't like it, but because I want a truck, you see, that has more than 3 seats in the back. But we'll see.